Hello students! Today I'm going to walk you through a new way of interacting with mathematics using the Desmos calculator. The Desmos calculator is an online calculator that you can access from any internet-ready device. Today you will be using a school-issued laptop, and we'll be using an activity that's been pre-created on the site. In the next week you're going to participate in the activity, What's My Transformation? Today I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to know to participate. I'm also going to take you through some of the features of the Desmos calculator. First, I'm going to ask you to sign in using a class code similar to the one I'm going to type in here. So you'll be prompted to go to this website, student.desmos.com, and you'll be typing in the code. Today we're going to use 2CT5JP. And you can say join. And this is what you're going to participate in. It says sign in with Google. You have a district Google account. You may use that, or you could use continue without signing in. The only advantage of signing in with Google is that it will save your work if you were to get kicked off or you want to finish this activity at a later time. Today I'm going to sign in using Google. So here you see we have the activity. Here's the name, What's My Transformation? And over here, it has my name. So you navigate through the different pages just by hitting these arrows. And you'll see you can click through them, but there's some that you'll have to complete some tasks for. For this activity, the two main things that you'll have to complete are dragging the shapes. So let's just start with the first one, dragging these dots. To move the lines into different places, just drag and drop, and you can see over here on the right, it describes why you're doing that. And then in some instances, you will have to type in what the equation is. So over here, the equation would be f of x take away 4, and you would hit the submit button to submit that in. So let's say we did f of x minus 6. Once you hit submit, it'll show you where that moves to. Obviously, it's wrong. You'll do it right when we do it in class. The next thing I want to show you is that I do have access to the dashboard for this. This is what my teacher dashboard looks like. If I choose to, I can anonymize the names, so each individual student name won't show up here. So I will probably choose to do that. And while we're working on this, I might have this up during class. I can highlight what the different questions are. The responses that you have would show up here. Right now, there's only one person signed in. Let me show you an example of some work that I've done with previous classes on this. So if I go back to my Desmos, and then I go to the activity, and let's go back to a class that's performed this before. You can see that this class, I see how the students have progressed through it, which ones tasks they completed, which ones they did not, where they were stuck. You can see all their names are anonymized. These are obviously not real student names. These are important people in scientific history. So this is what I'll be checking. I can look and see the screenshot. So for example, the first one, I can look and see the screenshot, see how you've moved the lines around. And on the other page that I showed you, I can see the different responses. So here they all are here. I might choose to share your responses with the class. So just be prepared for that. And another thing I might do is I might decide to pause. And when I pause instruction, you will no longer have permission to keep working on the assignment. I'll do that if I want to stop and have you guys take down some notes on an important topic or concept. Or I can unpause this. I can set the pacing. So let's say I only want you to work on 4 through 6. I can restrict it so you're only working on slides 4 through 6. That might also be something that happens. I'll do that generally if I notice that I want everyone to jump ahead to slide 4. If there's people that are taking a little bit more time. So those are some things to expect when we're working on the Desmos activity next week.